Well, good morning, everybody. If somebody's speaking through the mic, this means we're officially kicking this off. We're very excited. We'd love for you to get going with us. We have 3 very exciting days here in Austin ahead of us. And then there is the most exciting thing I personally say, but I'm a little biased, I'm from Texas State University, on Friday, and that's when we're going to actually explore what we have in San Marcos. I would love to kick off this morning with Andres Carvallo, because this thing would not be happening without him. And my name is Claudia, so I'm going to keep you on time, and I did not mean to steal the thunder from Andres. Here's Andres.
Yeah. Thank you to my German sister, Claudia. Let's go to the next slide real quick. Actually, I needed Claudia to do some of this stuff, but that's okay. I'll do it today. Real quick. I want to thank our sponsors. And obviously, we're still in Texas time, so half of the crowd is just going to show up soon. So Lit Communities, USI Insurance Services, Available Power, CPS, Energy. I'm so delighted that they're sponsoring the utility itself. Tantalus, Anterix, Greater San Marcos Partnership, Clear World, Easy Metering, Texas State University, EveryNet, Grid Monitor, and Sentient Energy. Thank you very much. Next. And you can see in this, wow, this is an interesting device. Can I fly with this thing? So we have an amazing set of keynotes and speakers. You can see all the logos. So thank you very much for all of you dedicated your time. Many of you will be here maybe only tomorrow and Thursday. Hopefully some of you will be here multiple days. So I want to thank the CMG team. I don't know where they are. They're probably working somewhere, but some of them, if you're a CMG, stand up real quick. Take a bow. Thank you. And 3 key things to remember. So tonight we have a Hall of Fame ceremony with Morgan O'Brien, former founder of Nextel. He's going to be inducted. And then we have Entrepreneur of the Year Award recipient Byron Rojas, CEO of Easy Metering. And then on day 2, you really do not want to miss this. We have 8 startups that are doing some amazing things in energy, 3D printing, power, water. It's incredible. We're gonna have a showcase. They're all gonna pitch for 3 minutes. They're gonna be judged. It's gonna be fabulous. That's at the end of tomorrow. And then at the end of Thursday, we'll have a Best in Show passport. So you have in your registration some little sticker of the names of the vendors next door. If you get a sticker from each and you submit your vote, then you could be potentially winning an iPad. So don't forget that. And we have, the tours on Friday. I think there is about 150 people that are going to be in these tours that we're going to do at Texas State in San Marcos, at Star Park, and on campus. And you're going to see tons of stuff going on there. So I encourage you to tag along if you want to, even though we're already sold out. So this is me. And real quick, I wanted to talk to you about, why is this not moving fast? Okay, so the 3 days. So today we have 6 keynotes. Dr. Shrikant Mandayam from Texas State on research. Jordan Crenshaw, a great friend from Industry 4.0 from the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. Kathy Curas, the CEO of YMCA on sustainability. Robert Schwartz is going to get interviewed by our own king, Llewellyn King. We have a great panel on networks. Then we have Mayor Steve Adler to keynote after lunch to talk about smart cities and communities. So Mayor Adler runs Austin, has been running it for a while. Llewellyn King is going to run that smart cities panel. And then we have a smart mobility keynote from Dr. Yusuf Mehta, who's here from New Jersey, professor and director of Creates, Rowan University. And then we have a panel on mobility that is going to be fabulous. We have the Air Force, we have Lyft Aircraft, we have TxDOT, we have City of Austin, unbelievable panel. And then we have the ceremony in the evening. So real quick on CMG. We are a company that has focused since 2014 into what I call the application and the taking advantage of the mega trends around digitalization, decentralization, and decarbonization. We have done a lot of work with over 100 projects. We're right now running a big project in Brownsville, and we have several energy customers like Southern Company and Engie and Encore, and we're doing all kinds of stuff around smart grid roadmaps and technologies and innovation or smart city stuff. And then I wanted to tell you real quick about CEDAR. If you don't know about CEDAR, Connected Infrastructure for Education, Demonstration, Applied Research. The latest in CEDAR is that beyond being a research and development marketplace and consortium for buyers and sellers of technology to come together, we are continue to explore partnerships with the industry to develop the following 9 labs that you see. And are you moving my slides for me? Okay. And so we have 20 members right now. We're probably looking to onboard another 20, and many things are going on. Just to tell you real quick, on the Smart Network Lab is up and running. We have a network showcasing the Anterix frequency and private LTE, 5G. We have a LoRaWAN network showcasing the technology from EveryNet, another founding member. We have a backbone on fiber. We're building a CBRS network. We're going to build a WirePass and a Wi-SUN network. So again, we are a testbed destination globally for anybody who wants to try things. Our footprint, come back, I'm not done. These guys read my mind. Our footprint is roughly 5,000 acres, which is the land that we own. But because of the technology and the propagation of the technology, and the fact that we're focused on the corridor from Round Rock all the way to San Antonio, and then through Victoria, Seguin, all the way to Brownsville, which are founding members, we actually have thousands and thousands of coverage. And all the cities and utilities that are members are committed to working with us to do 2 pilots per year minimum to deploy stuff on research in their own service territories. So I don't think there's any consortium or test bed anywhere in the world that has such a geographic reach like we do. I'll go on. On smart cities, on Friday morning, as part of the tour, the provost is going to be dedicating our Smart Cities Lab, Phase 1. And so this is being built at Star Park. If you've ever been there, we installed 16 street lights that have Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G. The lights have LED, solar power, energy storage. They're connected. They can talk to anything, any infrastructure. And the buildings are all zero energy, zero water, and the roads and everything is intelligent, and we're testing new kinds of materials and things. So we're very excited about the Smart Cities Lab getting going. And then on mobility real quick, we're working on 3 mobility labs, a test track in 500 acres possibility in partnership with TxDOT and others. A test track using Highway I-35 and 130, so connecting our San Marcos, Star Park, and Round Rock campus back and forth for shuttle testing, and then a drone and a vertical takeoff and landing test track at the San Marcos Airport using 20 acres, and that's going to start probably by the end of the year. This is very exciting for us. So without all that, I wanted to just thank you again for being here. And I'm going to ask Claudia to come back and take care of the rest. Thank you for being here again. I appreciate you very, very much.